sa ating tutorial on how to solve differential equations using the operator method. So first, gawa tayong example, y double prime minus y prime minus 2y is equal to e 3x. So hindi yan, e 3t yan guys, no? So una, gawa tayo ng characteristic equation. So ang characteristic equation natin, we convert our differential equation into some type of quadratic equation for this example, no? So that's d squared minus d minus 2. Okay guys, no? Pag double prime, d squared. Pag single prime, d. Pag wala siyang prime, that's y raised to 0 or 1. So that's why it's negative 2. So punta tayo sa mode 5. Kunin natin yung roots. So pag nahanap natin yung roots, guys, roots are 2 and roots natin isa is negative 1. Alright? So for this differential equation, homogeneous equation is equal to C1e raised to dt plus C2e raised to d2t. So plug in natin yung mga roots natin guys. C1e2t plus C2e negative t. So meron tayong y homogeneous na ngayon. And then hanapin natin yung non-homogeneous natin na term. So solve for y particular. No? So ang y particular natin in a form of using the operator method. Okay? So kailangan the operator method guys. So kopyahin natin yung term characteristic equation natin kanina, d squared minus d minus 2. Tingnan mo na, burahin natin guys. So, first, define muna natin yung d operator. No? So, y prime can be defined as dy dt, also dy, no? D operator, y double prime, dy squared y dt squared is equal to d squared y. So, pag y lang, that's equal to d0 over dt0. So, that's eventually y lang, guys, no? So, to transform our differential equation into the operator terms, so d double prime, that becomes d squared y minus dy minus 2 is equal to mali, bakit nilagay ko ng 1? Hindi yun 1 guys. Wait, baguhin natin, that's y. So that's 2y is equal to e3x, no? So now we will isolate y, so that's become d squared minus d minus 2y is equal to e3. Dapat t yan guys, no? Hindi x yan. So buburahin natin yan. So hindi yan 3x guys, no? That's 3t. So in a term of, so ganyan ang d operator guys, no? So for that term, burahin natin yan. Dapat yan ay 3t guys, no? So pag ganyan ang form guys, form na a, e raised to alpha t, dapat yan guys, t yan guys, pag hindi ko binura guys. A is equal to 1, alpha is equal to 3. So now is we will solve for the equation 1 over d squared minus d minus 2. D natin is equal to alpha. So for this equation, d natin is equal to 3. Since alpha natin is 3, so d is equal to 3. So from that equation guys, tapos sulat natin yung e form. So e natin is, so burahin natin yan kasi wrong yan guys, no? Voice over kasi ito guys. So hindi ko yan nabura kanina guys. So burahin natin, no? So that becomes t, and that's 3t. So, ganyan ang operation niya guys. Tapos, sa calculator natin, evaluate natin siya. 1 over x squared minus d x minus 2, x natin is 3. So, the resulting answer is equal to 1 over 4, no? 1 over 4. Tapos, multiply natin yung E3t, no? So, the y particular now, guys, is equal to 1/4 E3t. So now, to complete our equation, guys, to complete the general solution to the differential equation, y is equal to yh plus y particular. That's C1 E2 plus C2 e raised to negative t plus 1/4 E3t. So that's the solution to the differential equation, guys, no? Box natin para makita, guys. And the next is, we'll give another example, guys, no? Para medyo talaga ma-practice, guys. Lagyan natin ng new example. Punta tayo sa baba. Sulatin yung new example natin, guys. For this new example, guys, so case pa rin is a times e raised to alpha t. For this example, let's try another, no? So y double prime, y prime minus 2y is equal to 3 e negative 3t. So same pa rin yung homogeneous kanina, guys. So una gawin, gawa tayo ng characteristic equation. So d squared minus d minus 2y. So since y is d raised to 0, so wala na yan, guys, no? So d1 natin, so find the roots. So we know kanina, na-solve natin yan, ang roots natin is 2 and negative 1. So from our homogeneous equation, c1e raised to d1t plus c2 e d2t. So, okay, no? So plug in lang yung mga values natin. So c1 e 2t plus c2 e negative t. Yan ang ating homogeneous equation. Ngayon, solve natin yung y particular, guys, kasi kailangan siya para sa ating homogeneous equation, sa ating complete solution, no? General solution to the differential equation. So ang ating forcing, so yung 3e negative 3t, guys, yun ang other term dyan is forcing function. Sa control system natin yan, guys, no? That can be input or any forcing uh, function. So using the operator pa rin, guys, no? D squared, convert natin yung y prime natin to d squared minus d minus 2. So diniretso natin, guys, kasi na-explain natin to kanina. And then ang form na to, guys, is ganun pa rin. AE alpha t. So A natin is equal to 3, alpha natin is equal to negative 3. So and then we isolate E negative 3t. Isolate natin siya, guys. So we evaluate D is equal to alpha, D is equal to negative 3. Isolate natin si E negative 3t. And that, we go to our calculator, type this in terms of x, no? Kasi walang d sa calculator, guys. So calculate negative 3. So we came up with an answer of 3 over 10, no? 3 over 10. So plug lang natin yan, guys. So ang ating y particular is 3 over 10 e negative 3t, guys, no? And then what we do is we combine our answers. So the solution now is y homogeneous plus y particular is equal to C1e 2t plus C2e negative t plus 3 over 10 e negative 3t. So, ganyan lang kasimple, guys, no? Ang pag-solve ng mga ganitong problem sa differential equation. Okay, and so that's it, guys, no? You can pause the video, guys. Try to uh, do it on your own, no? Again, we proceed with another example, guys, no? We proceed with another example. So, para hindi tayo balik, guys. Kumpahin natin to, guys, kasi same pa rin yung homogeneous natin, guys. Ang magbabago lang is yung forcing function. So, copy natin yan. Tapos, baba tayo, guys. And then, paste natin yun siya. Para medyo madali ang life, no? Hindi tayo mahirapan. So, ganyan pa rin, guys. So, now, let's try to make an example. Example is hindi na siya e negative 3t. So, what if wala yung e negative 3t guys, no? Burahin natin guys. So, what if ang forcing function natin is equal to 3? So, let's say, no, input natin is to our differential equation is like 3 lang guys, no? Constant 3. So, how do we solve that? So, ganun pa rin guys. Y homogeneous is still the same, no? Wala naman tayong binago sa differential equation natin. So, yung nagbago lang is yung forcing function. So, forcing function natin is equal to constant 3, no? Constant 3. So, using again the operator method. The operator method, guys. Para medyo mapadali ang life natin, no? So, the operator method. So, y particular is 3. Your forcing function is 3. So, 3 is also equal to 3e raised to 0t, no? Ang alpha natin is 0, guys, no? So, if e raised to 0 is 1, so times 3, so it's still the same 3. So, e 0t, no? So, ang ating alpha is 3 pa rin. Ang ating a is equal to 3. The coefficient is 3. Alpha natin is 0. So, now evaluate the 3 over d squared minus d minus 2 to d is equal to alpha, which is also d is equal to 0. And then, multiply it with our e raised to 0t, no? Using calculator, guys, plug in na natin yung mga given. So, we came up with an answer of negative 3, 2, no? So, e times t. And then after that one, guys, is now we have our y particular is which is equal to negative 3 over 2, guys, no? So, negative 3 over 2. So, our y particular now is negative 3 over 2. So, our y is C1e 2t plus C2e negative t minus 3 over 2. So that's our answer to our differential equation. That's the solution to our a general solution to our differential equation y double prime minus y prime minus 2y is equal to 3, guys, no? So let's proceed again with another example, guys. Gawa tayo ulit na another example. The next example is in this case naman. The same case pa rin. A times e raised to alpha t. Example for this one is y double prime plus 6y prime plus 9y is equal to 3e negative 3t, guys, no? So, una gawa tayo ng characteristic equation. Characteristic equation is d squared. That's, pulahin natin yan, d squared plus 6d plus 9, no? So, hanapin natin yung roots para makuha natin yung mga roots, guys, no? So, quadratic mode equation, quadratic. Sulat natin yung mga coefficient. That's negative 3. And then, d2 is equal to. So, since wala binigay calculator, guys, assuming na his previous answer, the previous answer of the calculator or the roots is also the same, no? So, since the roots are real and repeated, no? So, we can also write our homogeneous equation, yh is equal to c1e negative 3t plus c2e negative 3t. Since dalawa ang e negative 3t, guys, we multiply the other one with t. So, para maging iba sila, guys. So, dapat hindi kasi same ang same yung dalawang term, no? So, kaya multiply tayo ng t. So, y homogeneous is c1 e 3t plus c2t e negative 3t. So, that's our first solution, no? Yung homogeneous. So, kailangan natin yung particular, guys, para ma-complete yung ating tawag nito, differential equation, guys, no? So, next gawin natin is hanapin natin yung, so, solve natin yung y particular, which is in a form of a e negative alpha t, no? So, sulat natin yung d operator, guys. So, recall lang natin, that's ganyan paggawa ng d operator, guys, no? So, and then we isolate y particular. So 3d squared plus 6d plus 9. Tapos, i-multiply natin yung isolate natin yung negative 3t guys, no? So, in this form, ang form na ito is a is equal to 3 and alpha is equal to negative 3 guys. So now we evaluate d is equal to alpha, d is equal to negative 3. And sulat natin yan guys, no? So in our calculator guys, evaluate natin 3x squared plus 6d plus 9. Calculate. Tapos lagay natin yung negative 3. This is math error guys, so if math error guys, no, ibig sabihin nun is d squared plus 6d plus 9. Pag plug in mo yung negative 3 guys, the resulting value will be 0, no? So 3 divided 0 is infinite or math error guys, no? Kaya ang gagawin niyan guys is first is to differentiate, no? dt nilagay ko yan guys, pero usually guys that's d differentiated with respect to d pa rin guys, no? Pero since d is equal to dy over dt, so dt pa rin. So that's 2d plus 6. So ngayon, gagamitan natin yung 2d plus 6 as our denominator sa ating equation guys, no? So this becomes, kopyahin natin guys, kasi medyo tamad na guys, no? Kopyahin natin. Tapos paste natin sa baba. Paste. Paste. Tapos burahin natin yung iba sa baba. So 3 natin now is after we differentiate becomes 2d plus 6. And then evaluate natin yung equation natin guys. Since nag-differentiate tayo guys, yung negative 3t natin guys, multiply natin siya ng t. Kasi since we differentiated first our denominator once, so multiply din ng t. So since ngayon, pag evaluate natin yung 2d plus 6, math error pa rin guys. So again, since math error, i-differentiate naman natin ulit yung denominator guys. So differentiate 2d plus 6, no? Since 2d plus 6, when d substituted in i-value na negative 3, it becomes 0. So differentiate natin ulit guys with respect to t, so or d. So the answer will be 2 na lang guys, no? 2. So the final answer is 3 over 2. Burahin natin guys. So 3 over 2. 3 over 2 d is equal to negative 3 negative 3t. Since nag-differentiate tayo guys ulit, so multiply natin yung negative 3t times t kanina ng another t guys, no? Since every differentiation guys, multiply tayo ng t, no? So the answer now becomes 3 over 2 3t times t squared. Alright? So that becomes 3 over 2 t squared negative 3. So that's our y particular. So since yan natin y particular guys, so kumpletuhin natin yung y, no? Since y is equal to so proceed tayo guys, no? So c1 negative 3t plus c2 t negative 3t plus 3 over 2 t squared negative 3t. So that's our solution or the general solution to our differential equation guys, no? Ganyan lang guys ang pag-solve using d operator guys. Napaka basic lang guys, no? So zoom out natin. So pwede nyo i-pause ang video guys. Pwede nyo kopyahin o pwede nyo i-try ang ating solution guys. Again, proceed tayo sa next example guys, no? Ang next example natin guys, so ganun pa rin, case 1 pa rin tayo guys, no? The next example is ganun pa rin a raised to alpha t. So let's say y triple prime, no? 4y double prime minus 3y prime 3y prime plus 18y is equal to, ganun pa rin guys, no? 3 negative 2t. So again guys, characteristic equation pa rin. So d cube minus 4d squared 3y plus 18, no? Equal to 0. Punta tayo sa ating calculator, guys. Hanapin natin yung roots, guys, no? Search natin yung roots. So, calculator tayo, mod, equation, tapos cubic. See, cubic to, guys, di ba? So, a natin is 1, b natin is negative 4, negative 3, and 18. So, our roots are negative 2, 3. So, d1 is negative 2, d is 3. So since nauna wala tayong tatlong roots, guys, biglang na-close yung ating calculator. So expected yung previous answer niya, yun yung roots, no? So since tatlo dapat ang roots nito, si y cube. So yun. So negative 2, negative 2, 3 and 3. So our y homogeneous is C1e negative 2t plus C2e negative 3t. Since dalawa na yung 3t, guys, no? Na term na 3t, so multiply natin isa ng t. Ganun, guys, so hindi pwedeng magkapareho ng term. Like C2e negative 3t plus C3e 3t. So kailangan yung isa multiply natin ng t. So yan natin yung homogeneous equation, guys, no? Yan natin yung homogeneous equation. So after that one, guys, solve natin yung particular solution, guys, no? Solve natin yung particular solution. So particular solution natin is 3e negative 2t. So ganun pa rin yung form a e alpha t. So yung coefficient natin is 3d cube. Pwede natin yung characteristic equation minus 3d plus 18, no? Minus 3d plus 18. And then, sulat tayo ng, so ganun pa yung form. A niya is 3, alpha is negative 2. So in the form na EA alpha t. So evaluated as d is equal to alpha. Tapos alpha natin is negative 2. Tapos mamultiply natin siya ng, ganun pa rin, E negative 2t. So ganun lang pag-solve, guys, no? Tapos punta tayo sa calculator natin, guys, para makuha natin yung sagot. So x cubed minus 4x squared minus 4x squared tapos minus 3x plus 18 negative 2. Since math error, guys, so expected natin na d cubed minus 4d squared minus d plus 18. Substitute natin yung value ng d na negative 2. It becomes 0. So kailangan natin i-differentiate, no? Yung denominator. So di-differentiate natin yan, guys. Kopihan ko muna kasi kapagod magsulat, no? Paste natin yan dyan. So differentiate natin yan, guys. So differentiate natin yan, guys. That becomes 3d squared minus 8d minus 3. So again, gagamitin natin tong ating newly derived, no? So 3d minus 3. D pa rin natin is equal to alpha, which is negative 2. Tapos times natin ng yung E natin na negative 2t, no? Since nag-derive tayo, guys, times natin ng t. Kasi nag-derive tayo, no? Times natin ng t. So, answer now is, punta sa calculator natin, guys. Sulat natin to. 3x squared minus 3x minus 3 negative 2. That's 3 over 25. Tapos, kopyahin natin yung t e negative 2t. So y particular natin, guys, is equal to 3 over 25 t e negative 2t. So the complete solution to the differential equation, guys, is y is equal to yh plus y particular, which is equal to c1 e negative 2t plus c2 e 3t plus c3 t e 3t plus 3 over 25 25t e negative 2t. So, yan ang sagot sa ating differential equation, guys, no? So, ganun lang, guys. So, sa ibang case naman, another video. So, gawa ko ng video for you to watch, paano pag-solve ng other cases, guys. Thank you.